questions that you want to know and you want answers to. Tell me what your number one question is going to be.
Hey, Fred Lam here, and welcome to our next episode of our Shopify Masterclass. Now, in this episode, I'm going to share with you 5 AliExpress hacks that not a lot of people will want to share this with you. Now, if you like any of my video training, make sure you click the subscribe button right below. Click that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get instant notification and start diving in right into the training. So let's talk about the 5 AliExpress hacks. Now, again, anyone that is really running on Shopify, most of you are drop shipping from AliExpress. But a lot of the things that are on YouTube, a lot of things that are on the internet are just the surface of things. There are 5 additional hacks that I can share with you that can allow you to either make more money or to actually make your store perform even better. So that being said, let's dive into the 5 AliExpress hacks today. The first one is most important, cashback. A lot of you guys are not aware of this, but you can actually get cashback through AliExpress and as high as 6.9% cashback. So if you are running a store, let's say that each day it costs you $100 for you to actually fulfill your orders, you can actually make up to 6.9% cashback. So that means almost $7 every day. If you multiply it by 31 days or even 30 days, that's a substantial amount of money that you can actually treat me into the fancy dinner, right? And that's additional margin that you can actually make and that you are leaving money on the table. Now, how do you actually get this cash back? It's very simple. All you have to do is seriously get the automated software called Shopsy. Shopsy allows you to actually earn cash back for every single order that you are fulfilling on AliExpress. And the best part is that Shopsy will also automate the entire process from ordering to fulfilling and uploading. So if you want cash back, which a lot of people are not utilizing right now, you should take advantage of it. And again, the app that we use is called Shopsy, and it is right in the video description right below. There's a link to it that you can actually grab. So that's number one, making more money by getting cash back. The second is processing time. Now, a lot of you may experience this. You've ordered the product, but it takes your vendor forever to upload the tracking information. And the reason why it takes them forever, because really, in a nutshell, a lot of these vendors on AliExpress actually arbitrages inventory from other manufacturers. You never know this, but they do. So that's why there is a processing time involved. Now, you don't actually see this inside AliExpress. It is available if you understand source code. If you have technical background, you can actually pull out their codes and you can actually find this information. Okay, it is pretty hard, but you can. All you gotta do is right click, view page source, and really dive in and find the processing time. Now with Shopsy, you will actually see the processing time. And what you want to typically look for is 3 to 5 days max. Don't look for ones that are 7 days and above, because that way, when you order the product, when your customer buys from you and you're trying to fulfill the product, and including e-package shipping, it's not gonna be just $7. It's not gonna be just 2 weeks. Now it's like 3 to 4 weeks because of the processing time. This is a hidden detail that AliExpress don't want you to show, but it is actually available, and Shopsy actually shows it all. The third, this is going to be crucial. For those of you that are trying to find winning products, this is going to be the key, and which is called reverse your search. So what do I mean by that? A lot of people simply just go to the search and look at how many orders, or if the product has a lot of orders and reviews, and thinking that that is the winning product, and they start selling it into their store. Nothing wrong with that, but that means that there's a lot of competition, right? If the product has already like a lot of reviews and a lot of orders, that means that a lot of people are selling it. The other way that you can do it is simply reverse it. instead of looking for a lot of highest order, reverse it and find new products that simply just got uploaded on AliExpress. But the thing that you gotta remember is that because there isn't a lot of people ordering or the product is brand new, you gotta make sure that the quality of the product is great. So you gotta make sure that the vendor, their feedback is all above average. They're at least 4.5 and above, making sure they're above average. Even though it's a good product, you still have a good vendor that is fulfilling it. So reverse your search. This is super important. Number 4, all right? Number 4, is also going to be an opportunity for you is relationship building. A lot of people do not do this. In all honesty, if you start to build a relationship with the vendors on AliExpress, you are going to actually get a better price. But in reality, you got to start producing some orders on a regular basis first. But once you're able to establish a relationship with your vendor on AliExpress, they will bend their back for you. And what do I mean by that? Not like physically bending, I don't think you want that. But what they will do is they will actually give you better pricing and also give you access to products that they haven't uploaded into their store as well. So relationship building is super important. It will cut your costs and give you an opportunity to find more products right into your store. All right, last but not least, number 5. Okay, so we got cashback, we got processing time, reverse your search, relationship building. So the last one, which is very important, especially for those of you that are running a big store and for those of you that are continuing to run store, is obviously automation on stocks. Seriously, I've seen a lot of my students that really just scramble when they actually found out that the product was completely out of stock. And what's gonna happen? They gotta basically do a lot of customer support, they gotta go find another vendor, which is gonna be a lot of problem. So that way, like for you, remember, you gotta automate your business. And with AliExpress, if you use Shopify, it will give you notifications if the product is going to be out of stock or the pricing got changed. Pricing also screwed a lot of people because if you, all of a sudden your vendor got their pricing increase all of a sudden, that means that the margin that you're gonna be making may be gone. So automation on stock is absolutely critical. You gotta make sure that you have apps and software in place to let you know what is out of stock, what are the pricing change, so that you can actually make instant decisions and instant change to your business. Again, these are the 5 AliExpress hacks. I hope that you enjoyed any of it. And also, if you have any obviously other hacks that you wanted to share to the community, leave a comment right below. Tell us what your hacks are. And again, I gotta tell you, these hacks, especially the cashback, will make you a lot more money. And again, if you like any of my video, make sure you click the subscribe button right on this video, click that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you will be notified right away. Other than that, I look forward on seeing you in the next video, and make sure you check out my other Shopify Masterclass series or my Atrix TV that's all about media buying. I'll see you guys soon.